Welcome to Oil and Gas Investor Headlines for the week ending on August 4th, 2017. I'm Kate Clark. Before we begin, don't forget to register for the upcoming A&D Strategies and Opportunities Conference, where the buyers, the acres, and the A&D makers meet. The conference will be held at the Ritz-Carlton in Dallas on September 6th and 7th. For more information, visit hartenergyconferences.com. In our top story, Devon Energy has moved more acreage as part of its $1 billion divestiture program, this time in the Eagle Ford. Penn, Virginia is buying up Eagle Ford assets from Devon for $205 million, bringing Devon's current total of asset sales across its U.S. operations to $340 million. For Penn, Virginia, the deal means increasing its core leasehold position in the Eagle Ford by 35% for about $2,900 per acre. In other A&D news this week, Anadarko Petroleum said it is in the final stages of securing a 70% operatorship stake in the Delaware Basin acreage that it shared with Royal Dutch Shell in a joint venture that expired on July 12th. Shell executives said in February they would look to consolidate operatorship of the assets as they renegotiate the 5-year-old JV agreement with Anadarko. And during a recent earnings call, Anadarko CEO Al Walker said the operatorship should provide, quote, much greater control over the pace of the future development. Meanwhile, ConocoPhillips continues to beat its own A&D expectations with an agreement to sell its Texas Panhandle assets to an undisclosed seller. The assets will sell for about $184 million, according to regulatory filings. You may recall ConocoPhillips started 2017 by launching a 3-year goal to divest up to $8 billion of non-core assets. So far this year, management has exceeded that, closing more than $16 billion in divestitures with another $500 million in pending deals waiting in the wings. And Consol Energy said it closed or agreed to sell Marcellus and Utica assets for about $326 million during the second quarter of 2017. As it deleverages in anticipation of spinning off its coal business. The company said it focused on separating the coal business, quote, no later than the end of the year. Thank you for watching Oil and Gas Investor Headlines. For more on these and other stories, visit oilandgasinvestor.com. See you next week.
To stay up to date on the most recent Hart Energy videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here.